Hello guys, well now I'm gonna help you with another video in English. As you know, it's not my native language, so I'm gonna try to do my best to giving you an idea how the dual fuel system works. So and then any question, feel free to comment on the video. I will try to answer for you, and of course Fracino around the world, all distributors and us in South America will be happy to help you. Okay, so this is the Contempo one. Another video is the retro one. So the Contempo one is a machine that is coming with this pump. So what I want to explain, Contempo line is a machine. This one is semi-automatic, so that means you press a button and it's on, and you depend on the second or your recipe, and then turn off and it's finished. Okay, so you will find when you need to connect this one, dual fuel is the machine that is working with gas. So you can recognize the machine because they have the valve open for the gas. You give gas, and then the ignition, you're gonna see then the flame when it's on. Okay, so with this one is hitting the boiler. Okay, in case you have electricity, you know this machine is two system, so and then change from electrical, from gas to electrical one. That's it, and then you just plug into the electricity. Okay, so you will find three things coming connected to the machine. The thick one, this cable is the electricity. So this one, when you, in that case, you have to connect the plug-in, depend your country. So that one is gonna be connected to the inverter, which is down there. This one is a little bit thin, more than that one. This one is connected with the pump. Okay, so it's gonna be connected with the pump here. Why? Because this one, when it's on, is giving the electricity to the pump to turn on and turn off. Okay, because this one is the heart of the machine, giving the pressure inside with the flow, with the water and everything to be working the machine. Okay, so this one is connected here. You connect to the inverter in the machine, and this one is for the gas. This one is easy. It's the same like connect your barbecue. You just go to this kind of big store, you find the adapter, you just connect here, and then the gas bottle, and you just connect, and that's it, and then it's on. Okay, so let's go in here. When this machine is coming, it's coming with these things. That one plastico, this one, which is the plastic one, I'm gonna take from here. The plastic one, you can connect here, because that one is the wastewater. So this one come through, you can make the hole. Of course, all these cables you hide because you make the holes under, so when you connect a trolley, a van and stuff like that, so you plug in this one just right here. Okay, take off this one now. So these are the two ones, which one is connected to the machine, which is sending the flow, the pump is working, and the other one is the water. Okay, so just take off that one from here. Okay, so now how this one work? This one is the flow jet. This machine is connected to the electricity. So let's move on here. Inverter, this one change the electricity, the deep cycle battery, which is the DC electricity, to AC, which is alternative electricity. So we change with this one. So this one is 130 amps, this one is 1000 watts. So you connect the cable, your negative, positive, you connect that one. This one, you have an extension, you just connect here, and you can connect the flow jet, which is the flow jet is soaking the water, just giving the water right here, and that one is connected to this one, which is connect just here. So the water is coming that way. Okay, so and then the machine, this one is on, and it's the other hose going to the machine. Okay, so this is how this one works. So the thick one is connected here, you know, to the inverter. You have the extension, you have your flow jet, and you can connect your grinder. So this one is how the system works. You need the water, which is under. This one can be under, battery under, and then this one is on the table. This one is under as well, because this is why it's like a 1 meter long, the hose, and even a little bit more maybe. This one is under, and you just, the only gonna see on the table is gonna be the machines, all this in the hole, so you hide everything and you have that. So this is how it works for a trolley, for any van, for bicycle, tricycle, all this kind of on the move. You're gonna be using this kind of machine. And this one is the Contempo line. And we have the automatic one, which is, this is semi-automatic. Remember, automatic one has like 5 buttons, and you just set up depending if you want 1 espresso, 2 espresso, 1 ristretto, 2 ristretto, and water. Okay, and the other video, if you want to see the retro one, don't forget. Okay, so well, I hope this video will helping you, giving the an idea how this one work. Any question, as I said, just comment on the video. We will try to answer you. Just remember, South America, I am Andres Carmona, so you can connect us if you want, like if you're from Brazil, Mexico, whole South America, we are able to help you. And if you are in Australia, we have distributor, we have in New Zealand, we have in Thailand, we have Polonia, Amsterdam, the whole Europe, all around the world. Fracino has more than 55 years in the market, providing, can I say, one of the best gas machines in the market. Okay, well, anything, just let to know us, and we were happy to assist you. Bye bye.